Eli's got a package today.
Eliza got a package today.
Now can I open it?
Yes.
It's open. It's opening. Oh. Wait, yo.
Go ahead.
It's an Elsa doll. I was right. It is a dolly. It's an Elsa doll. And it comes with the Olaf. She's my favorite doll in the whole wide world.
Okay, what do you have to say about her?
Well, and she comes with a blue eye. Oh, should I say hello, Disney Collector here?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Disney Collector here, and today we'll be opening this Elsa doll. Comes with a Olaf. Right, and this Olaf right on the bottom of her.
Okay, let me. Okay, go ahead.
You get to take her out. You get to take her out of the box, and she comes out easy. Oh, this is coming out. Watch this. That Elsa with an Olaf. Inside is very beautiful. Elsa only comes with Olaf dolly. Can we do that again?